beautiful people, welcome to my channel Seek Life. Today I am going to show you how to make this simple striped candy kind of design without using any special tools. Start with a clear base coat to protect your nails and make your manicure last long. Then take a cello tape and a scissor. You can take any tape you have in your house. Cut vertical thin stripes from the tape. You need to make 5 to 6 stripes in the width of a normal cello tape. Try making straight cuts for the perfect looking stripes. Stick these stripes on your nails in the desired pattern, keeping one end loose. I have made vertical pattern on the first nail and crisscross pattern on the third nail, keeping all others diagonal. Now take any bright colored nail paint of your choice and paint your nails keeping the stripes as they are. Here I have taken a neon orange color. Then take the stripes out slowly while the polish is still wet. You can do one nail at a time or apply nail paint on all your nails first and then remove the tape. Just make sure that you need to do this while the polish is still wet. Finally, apply a clear top coat to seal in your design and give it a glossy finish. Give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful, and do subscribe my channel for more such simple and creative stuff. It is completely free, and don't forget to press that bell icon for instant notifications. See you next time. Bye.